Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan for channels on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, you have to press the home button on your remote control, navigate down the sidebar to settings and select installation menu in here. After that, you're gonna have to select either automatic channel scan, or you can also perform network channel scan, which is basically almost the same thing as automatic channel scan, except for automatic channel scan also supports analog channels while network doesn't. It only supports channels that are used on the network. In both cases, you will have to connect the respective cable to your TV. So if you are planning to scan for antenna channels, then you're gonna have to insert the antenna cable into your TV. And so it goes for the TV cable or the satellite cable. Just select one of these two and select what kind of channels you want to scan for. Besides, you can also scan for channels manually. If you're a more advanced user and you know what exactly you are looking for, go to manual search, select the kind of channel you're looking for, choose the channel, choose the frequency, and choose whether you want to enable network channel scan. And after the channel scan is finished, you'll be able to return back to your home screen and watch the channels in real time. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.